Hi there. I'm Lily.
And I'm Jake.
Welcome to English with Lily and Jake.
Let's get started.
Hi, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. I'm Lily.
And I'm Jake. We are so happy to see you.
Today is a very special day. We have a big surprise for you.
Meet our new friend and the new member of our team, Cookie the Dachshund.
He is very small, very long, and he loves sleeping while we study.
If you like Cookie, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. It helps us a lot.
Today's video is perfect for beginners.
We are going to practice 100 essential English questions and answers for your daily life.
It's a great way to practice your speaking and listening.
So grab a cup of coffee and let's start.
Hi, what is your name?
My name is Jake. How are you today, Lily?
I am fine, thank you. Where are you from, Jake?
I am from the USA, and where do you live now?
I live in Chicago. Tell me, how old are you?
I am 25 years old. Do you speak English?
Yes, I speak a little English. What is your phone number?
My phone number is 12345. It is nice to meet you, Lily.
Nice to meet you too, Jake. Are you a student?
No, I am not. I am a teacher. What is your family name?
My family name is Smith.
Great! That was the first block. These are the most basic questions in English.
Exactly. If you can answer these, you can already start a conversation.
Now let's move to block 2.
We are going to talk about daily life and habits.
Let's see what we do every day. Are you ready?
Let's go. Jake, what time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 o'clock. And you?
I wake up at 8 o'clock. Do you eat breakfast?
Yes, I usually have eggs and toast. What do you do in the morning?
I drink coffee and read a book. Do you go to the gym?
Yes, I go to the gym 3 times a week. What is your favorite hobby?
I love photography and walking in the park. Do you like cooking?
No, I don't. I prefer ordering food. What time do you go to work?
I start work at 9 a.m. What do you do for fun on weekends?
I watch football matches and relax. Do you have any pets?
Yes, we have Cookie. What time do you go to bed?
I usually go to bed at 11 p.m. Nice. We finished talking about our daily routines.
Now it's time for something very practical.
Yes. Part 3 is about shopping and eating out.
These questions are essential if you go to a mall or a restaurant.
Even Cookie loves this part, especially the eating out bit.
Let's dive in. Are you ready to order?
Yes, I would like a cheeseburger and a soda, please. How much is this blue t-shirt?
It is $20. Do you have this in a smaller size?
Let me check. Yes, here is a small size. Can I pay by credit card?
Yes, of course. We also accept cash. Where is the nearest supermarket?
It is just around the corner next to the bank. Would you like some dessert?
No, thank you. I am full. Could I have the bill, please?
Certainly. I will bring it in a moment. What time does the shop close?
It closes at 9 p.m. Can I try this on?
Yes, the fitting rooms are over there. Do you need a bag?
No, thanks. I have my own bag.
Excellent. Now you know how to order a burger and buy a t-shirt.
That's very useful, but we also need to talk about more serious things.
You're right. Part 4 is about at work and study.
These questions will help you talk about your career or your school.
Even if you work from home, like we do.
Let's get to work. What is your job, Jake?
I am a web developer. What about you?
I am an English teacher. Where do you work?
I work for a big IT company in the city center. Do you like your job?
Yes, I love helping people learn English. What time do you start work?
I usually start at 9:30 a.m. Do you have a lot of meetings?
Yes, I have 3 or 4 meetings every day. Can you help me with this report, please?
Sure, I can help you after lunch. Where did you study?
I studied at the University of Chicago. How do you get to work?
I usually go by car, but sometimes I take the bus. Is your office far from here?
No, it's only 10 minutes away. Do you work on weekends?
No, I never work on Saturdays or Sundays. We are almost there. We've covered so much today.
Just one more part to go. Block 5 is about travel and directions,
This is my favorite part. It's all about exploring the world and finding your way.
or finding the nearest bathroom. That's important too.
Haha, very true. Let's finish our list of 100 questions.
Ready, set, travel. Excuse me, where is the nearest bus station?
It is straight ahead, then turn left. How can I get to the airport?
You can take a taxi, or the Blue Line train. Is the museum far from here?
No, it's only a 5-minute walk. What time is my flight to London?
Your flight is at 2:30 p.m. Can I have a map of the city, please?
Yes, here you go. Enjoy your stay. Where is the bathroom?
It's down the hall on the right. How much is a ticket to New York?
A one-way ticket is $50. Is this the right platform for the train?
Yes, this is platform number 4. What is the weather like today?
It is sunny and warm. Perfect for a walk. Can you show me on the map, please?
Sure, we are right here near the park.
Wow, you're still here? You are a great student.
We are halfway there. Let's keep going.
Block 6 is about family and friends.
Family is everything. Let's learn how to talk about it. Jake, do you have a big family?
No, I have a small family. Just my parents and me.
Are you married?
No, I am single. What about you? Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have a one brother and 2 sisters. What is your mother's name?
Her name is Mary. She is very kind. How often do you visit your parents?
I visit them every weekend. Do you have any children?
No, I don't. But I have a nephew. Who is your best friend?
My best friend is Sarah. We studied together. What does your father do?
He is a retired engineer. Do you have any cousins?
Yes, I have many cousins in Chicago. Where does your family live?
They live in a small house near the lake. Family is important, but we also need some fun.
I agree. It is time for part 7.
We are going to talk about entertainment and leisure.
Movies, music, and hobbies. What do you do in your free time?
Let's find out.
What kind of music do you like?
I like rock music and jazz. And you? Do you like watching movies?
Yes, I love romantic comedies and documentaries. Who is your favorite actor?
My favorite actor is Tom Hanks. He is amazing. Can you play any musical instruments?
Yes, I can play the piano a little bit. Do you like going to parties?
Not really. I prefer a quiet evening at home. What was the last book you read?
I read a very interesting book about history. Do you prefer Netflix or the cinema?
I prefer Netflix. It's more comfortable. What is your favorite song?
My favorite song is Imagine by John Lennon. Do you like dancing?
No, I am a terrible dancer. What is the most popular sport in your country?
Definitely American football and basketball.
That was fun. I think everyone loves talking about movies and music.
Definitely. But now let's talk about something very important.
You mean Block 8? Health and feelings?
Exactly. It's important to know how to say how you feel.
Are you ready to learn some feeling words?
Let's go. How do you feel today, Jake?
I feel great. I am very happy today. Are you tired, Lily?
A little bit. I stayed up late last night. Do you have a headache?
No, I don't. I feel very healthy. Should I call a doctor for you?
No, thank you. I just need some rest. Are you hungry?
Yes, I am. I want to eat a big pizza. Are you happy today?
Yes, I am very happy because the weather is beautiful. Do you exercise every morning?
Yes, it helps me feel energetic and strong. What makes you angry?
I get angry when people are mean or rude. Are you afraid of spiders?
Yes, I am terrified of them. Do you need a glass of water?
Yes, please. I am very thirsty.
We are almost at the finish line. You are doing amazing.
Just one more block to go. Block 9 is all about future and technology.
It's time to talk about computers, apps, and our future plans.
Even Cookie knows how to use a tablet. Well, almost.
Ha ha. Let's finish our list of 100 questions.
Jake, do you have a laptop?
Yes, I have a powerful laptop for my work. How often do you use the internet?
I use it every day for work and for fun. What is your favorite app?
My favorite app is YouTube. I love watching videos there. Do you like AI and robots?
Yes, I think they are very interesting and helpful. What are you going to do tomorrow?
I am going to visit my friends and have a picnic. Where do you want to travel next year?
I want to travel to London to see Big Ben. Do you want to learn a new language?
Yes, I want to learn Spanish next. Will you be at home tonight?
No, I will be at the cinema with Sarah. What is your dream job?
My dream job is to be a world traveler and a blogger. Are you ready for the final part?
Yes, we did it. Let's say goodbye to our students. 100 questions. You did it. Congratulations.
This is a huge step for your English. You are much better now than 15 minutes ago.
Don't forget to watch this video again. Repetition is the key to success.
And look, Cookie is awake to say goodbye. He is very proud of you too.
If you stayed until the end, write I did it in the comments so we can congratulate you.
We read every comment and we love your support.
Subscribe to English with Lily and Jake for more lessons with us and Cookie.
Thank you for watching. See you in the next lesson.
Bye bye. See you soon.